What's making that noise? Oh, it's you again. Okay, joke's over. All right, you got me. Now cut it out. That's it! Stop your ringing, mister. I'm warning you. Stop it! I said quit it! Huh? And where's it coming from? Make it stop! Buddy, you gotta help me find out where that ringing is coming from! Hey, come back! No, fine! I'll ask someone who cares! SpongeBob, where's the ringing coming from? Breakfast! Come to breakfast!
Well... If...
The National Weather Service in Dodge City has issued a tornado warning for Kiowa County, including the city of Greensburg, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:41, a confirmed, highly dangerous tornado was located 5 miles south of Greensburg, moving north at 20 miles per hour. This is a life-threatening situation. Take shelter immediately in a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.